Welcome back to Tot Family's Kitchen, a place where you can get cooking inspirations with easy-to-make recipes. Simply follow the step-by-step videos to achieve a great cooking experience and a guaranteed amazing taste. In today's video, we'll be making macaroni cheese from fridge leftovers. We'll be using double cream and all different types of cheeses that we have found in our fridge, along with 1 liter of milk and spices such as pepper and salt and others. Firstly, you want to mix all the different types of cheeses in a bowl together. You want to add your milk and all your wanted spices into this mixture. Using a block of butter, you want to use it to butter and grease the bottom of your pan. Next up, add your leftover pasta and any spaghetti that you have on top of the cheese and mix it all together. top it all off, use mozzarella cheese or any other leftover cheese on top of that mixture, and then you can put water on top. This should go in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes and you can enjoy your dish.